The video contains full contents. Screen unlock and brightening, manual feeding. When the power is switched on, the indicator above the front side of the machine lights up with blue light. Press and hold the button on the top of the machine for about 3 seconds, the screen is unlocked or the screen turns bright. Press and hold the button on the top of the machine for about 6 seconds. The machine will deliver 1 portion of food. Current time and automatic feeding time and portion settings. Current time setting. Click first on the upper left corner. T flashes. Click repeatedly on the lower right corner to set the hour. Click on the lower left corner to convert to minute. Click repeatedly on the lower right corner to set the minute. Click on the lower left corner to convert between hour and minute. First meal setting. Click on the upper left corner. 1 flashes. Click repeatedly on the lower right corner to set the feeding hour. Click on the lower left corner to convert to feeding minute. Click repeatedly on the lower right corner to set the feeding minute. Click on the lower left corner to convert to feeding portion. Click repeatedly on the lower right corner to set the feeding portion. Second meal setting. Click on the upper left corner. The setting of the feeding time interval between meals must be more than 10 minutes. The method for third to 6 meal setting is the same as for the first meal. If one of the meals does not need to be delivered, set the number of feeding portion to 0. Click on the lower left corner, can convert among feeding hour, feeding minute and feeding portion. Click on the upper left corner, can convert among current time, meal 1/2, 3/4, 5/6. Recording and playback settings. Press and hold the upper right corner after the lock flashes. Start talking recording. The recording stops after the finger removal. Click on the upper right corner to play the recording. Click on the upper right corner. The speaker will not play during automatic feeding if it has a red X. Click on the upper right corner. The speaker will play during automatic feeding if it does not have a red X. After all settings are completed, be sure to press the button on the top of the machine to save them. Otherwise it will not feed automatically. Press the button on the top of the machine again, the screen will not display. If the power is only supplied with batteries, after a few minutes the screen will automatically turn off and enter into eco mode. Frequently asked questions.